Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you camera preview, all modes and settings that you can find on this smartphone. So let's open the camera and just take a look what we have here. We have here Pro mode, the normal video mode, the same with the photo mode. For sure we can change lenses to the ultra wide, and telephoto lens. We can zoom in to 10 times. We got portrait mode, and the more modes we can find. The night mode, 108 megapixel mode, short video, panorama mode, documents, vlog, but you have to download it by tapping here. Yeah, there it is. Slow motion, time lapse, the dual video, movie effects, long exposure and clone. And that's all from the modes. When you go for the settings, right here you can find the flashlight, HDR, AI. Here we got also filters that we can quickly apply on our photos. There is the Google Lens, and here we got the settings. So we can change the aspect ratio, we can set the timer, we got movie frame, we can activate grid lines, super macro mode, tilt shift, time burst, and we got also here the settings, and in the settings we can find the watermark option, the live tips, smart suggestions, correct distortion in ultra wide shots, correct face, auto night mode, picture quality, shot with the screen off, volume buttons function. We can go as shutter countdown, zoom or volume, focus and shot, press and hold shutter button to record video, take a bar shot, focus, customize. There we can change position of these icons of these modes. There we got the camera modes like standard or more panel, colors that we can apply on our camera, sound, so there's the shutter sound, we got location tags on the photos, shutter sound, save previous mode, anti-banding, privacy, and we can restore the default settings to the camera. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.